How to install add-ins, which can help you to conduct many analysis such as descriptive analysis, correlation analysis, regression analysis, etc. In MS Excel, how to install add-ins. First of all, you will click on File, which is border with yellow color. After clicking on File, you will see Options, which is border with yellow color. By clicking on Options, you will see another window which is shown in next slide. After clicking on Options, you will see this window. You will click on Add-ins prior to its installation. You cannot run any statistical analysis. By clicking on Add-ins, you will see in Manage option in below by selecting Excel Add-ins and press Go. After clicking on Go, you will see this window in which lot of add-ins are available. You can select Analysis Tool Pack and press OK. The Analysis Tool Pack provides data analysis tools for statistical and engineering analysis. After installation of add-ins, you can see Data Analysis option by clicking on Data. You can see Data Analysis, which is border with yellow color. I will share important tip, that is, if you can't see Data Analysis option here in Data, so it means you haven't installed it yet. Thus you need these steps to install add-ins for doing regression analysis in MS Excel. After clicking on Data Analysis, which is border with yellow color, you will see another window. In this window, you will select regression and you can perform lot of statistical measures which are given on next slide. In above window you can see lot of statistical measures such as ANOVA, single factor, ANOVA two-factor with replication, ANOVA two-factor without replication, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, F-test 2 sample for variance, Fourier analysis, histogram, moving averages, random number generation, rank and percentile, regression, sampling, t-test paired 2 sample for means, t-test 2 sample assuming equal variances, t-test 2 sample assuming unequal variances, and z-test 2 sample for means. After selecting regression option in data analysis, you have to set input y range for dependent variable, which is border with yellow color, set x range for independent variable, which is border with green color. Also select output range where the result to be shown on same sheet. I have selected same sheet range is border with blue color. In addition, you have to select either same sheet or new worksheet in same file or new workbook. In below part there are numerous plots such as residuals, residuals plots, standardized residuals, line fit plot, also called as scatter plot, and normal probability plot. After selecting your required plots, you will press OK. The results are shown on next slide. After selecting all required fields in regression in data analysis, press OK. You will see result of regression analysis which is shown here. I will interpret all measures in next video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.